Dear all, in this video, I'll be discussing about transducer actuating mechanism. So this is one of the process which will be involved in transducers. Let's understand what do you mean by transducer actuating mechanism. So this is the third part of your syllabus. You can observe transducer actuating mechanism. So let me explain about what do you mean by the transducer actuating mechanism. So first in the foremost, let us consider transducer. Transducers also known as either gauges or you can call pickups and also you can call it as signal generators. If I look at the block diagram of transducer, you can able to understand that it will be having a sensing element and the transduction element. So most of the transducers has two basic elements such as actuating elements or actuating device and a transduction element. Here actuating mechanism plays major role. First let us understand what is a actuating mechanism. What is an actuating mechanism? Moving on to the definition of actuating mechanism. The actuating mechanism is nothing but a source of energy which can be mechanical force, electrical current, say hydraulic fluid pressure, or else you can say pneumatic pressure, and those converts that energy into motion. Okay, so once again I would like to recall the actuating mechanism is nothing but a source of energy which can be a mechanical force or it may be electrical current or it may be hydraulic fluid pressure or it may be pneumatic pressure, and that converts energy into motion. Actuator means support for the movement, support for the motion. Okay. Moreover, an actuating mechanism is not only changes the state of object being controlled, but also moves the control member according to a specified control principle with the minimum deviation, with the minimum deviations. So that is another specialty of the actuating mechanism. So it is related to movement. This actuating mechanism that will be involved in all the type of transducers. So I'll be showing the different actuating mechanism in the upcoming slide. See, these are the different devices that perform the actuating mechanism. These devices are the parts of transducers. So let us look at capsule, then corrugated diagram. That corrugated diaphragms that is mainly used for the pressure measurement, pressure. Okay. Pressure measurement. It is mainly used for the pressure measurement. Anyway, actuating mechanism involved in this type of device. Similarly, bellows, that is also related to pressure measurement. Then corrugated burden tube. Okay, that is also will be support for the measurement of pressure. Then circular burden tube is also available. Similarly, mass cantilever. I'll be showing you an animated slide of this mass cantilever, then bellows, diaphragms, etc. This is regarding pivot torque, and this is actually the straight tube. In fact, these devices concerning a definite amount of actuating mechanism, these devices are a part of transducer. Okay, definitely actuating mechanism will be involved in these type of devices. So now I'll be showing you the animated diagram of just like a corrugated diaphragms, then a mass cantilever in the coming slide. Now you can able to look at the different diagrams of uh, what I can say mass cantilever. Here you can able to see the mass cantilever. Okay, it is very clear that the operation of mass cantilever, and this will be related to bellows. You can able to see the bellows, and the diagram which I am mentioning, that is diaphragms. This is related to diaphragm. Okay, this is basically bellows. Okay, and this diagram is mass cantilever. This is related to mass cantilever. Okay, so actuating mechanism will be involved in these devices. More than that, I can say that these devices are a part of a transducer. Okay, so in this video, I have mainly focused on what do you mean by transducer actuating mechanism. This is one of the important phenomenon or important process which is involved in the uh, transducers. So first I explained what is a what do you mean by actuating mechanism. I could explain by using these definitions. What do you mean by actuating mechanism? Thereafter, I have shown you different devices, and we can say that actuating mechanisms are involved in these devices. These devices are a part of transducer. Definitely, such kind of movement that will be always taken place in these type of devices. So this is regarding the actuating mechanism. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video.